Not all water is good to drink. That's where a smart water bottle can come in handy. I review the NOERDEN Liz next.
This is Twit.
This episode of Hands on Tech is brought to you by Capterra. Find the right tools to make an informed software decision for your business. Capterra is software selection simplified. Visit Capterra's free website at capterra.com/hot. Just when I thought that everything had been made smart, I got the NOERDEN Liz smart water bottle on my desk. And I'll go ahead and admit it, I was pretty skeptical. Why on earth does a water bottle need any kind of technology? You pour your water in, you drink the water, there's really nothing to solve here. Actually, this water bottle is pretty nifty. In fact, it surpassed its goal more than 2 times over in its initial launch on Indiegogo just last month. That's wrapping up now, at least at the time of this recording. But if you happen to miss that, the public launch of the Liz bottle is slated for September 2019, so you won't be missing out at all. So let's check out what makes this so neat. This is the 16-ounce version. There will also be a 12-ounce version if you want a little bit smaller bottle. The stainless steel bottle itself is pretty unremarkable, honestly. It's insulated on the inside to keep cold drinks cold and hot drinks hot. Cold drinks up to 24 hours and hot drinks up to 12 hours. It's also nice and grippy on the outside. You can get a nice firm grip. It's got some nice texture to it. There's a nice rubbery round base to keep it from sliding off the table. Pretty standard stuff when you're talking about a water bottle. So what makes the Liz special is the lid. And I can show you here, that right there is a charging port because it is, after all, smart. But this lid can actually make bad water drinkable. Say you go camping, for example, and all you have is a lake and this bottle. Well, you can actually scoop that lake water into the Liz, close the lid, and then tap the top capacitive touch surface 2 times. You'll see the LED on top turn white, which basically means that the water inside is being UV sterilized, a process that effectively kills up to 99.9% of the bacteria and viruses that might be hiding out inside that water. VUV light is shown into the bottle from the ultraviolet C light sensor inside the lid, literally breaking down the DNA of the bad stuff inside of the water. That white light stays on the top of the lid for the duration of the UV treatment, and once it actually turns off, you know that you can safely open up the bottle and drink the water with peace of mind. You can treat the bottle when it's filled with water. You can also treat it when it's empty. Doing so will actually clean the inside of the bottle so it's odor-free the next time you fill it. This episode of Hands on Tech is brought to you by Capterra. Finding software is complicated, but it doesn't have to be. Search more than 700 specific categories of software. Capterra has over 1 million reviews of products from real software users. Discover everything you need to make an informed decision. They are the leading free online resource to help you find the best software solution for your business. Check out Capterra's free website at capterra.com/hot. That's capterra.com/hot. capterra.com/hot. Capterra, software selection simplified. Now the lid also has an infrared sensor underneath there that can detect the temperature of your liquid. With the lid closed, you just tap once on top and it'll show you one of 3 colors. Blue, of course, for cold, anything under 97.7 degrees. Yellow for, let's say, warm, 97.7 to 140 degrees, and red for hot. That's anything above 140 degrees. And finally, the Liz actually reminds you to keep drinking water by blinking the lid blue every 2 hours if it notices that you're not drinking. Basically, if you drink 4 of these in a day, you're pretty darn close to reaching your body's daily requirement. Now, all this tech in the lid means that there is indeed a battery to charge, but thankfully this isn't the kind of thing that you have to charge every single day. One full charge should last 6 months, giving you UV sterilize 1 time per day. Not bad, because really, who wants to have to plug in their water bottle every day or even every week? Every 6 months, I feel like that's pretty reasonable. Look, I literally just spent a weekend backpacking in the wilderness. I got very used to using this as the Sawyer Mini to make the lake water drinkable. This actually doesn't get rid of the viruses, where the NOERDEN Liz, pretty comparable, does. One thing to remember, it doesn't get rid of contaminants in the water. So it's not perfect for everything, but comparatively speaking, it does pretty much the same thing, maybe even a little bit better than what I used all weekend. The NOERDEN Liz is purpose-built, much more attractive, and it works. The Indiegogo is wrapping up right now, so unless you were lucky enough to get the early bird price, you'll be paying $98 for the 16-ounce bottle that I have right here when it releases in September. The smaller 12-ounce bottle will run $89 at launch. I'm Jason Howell, and I talk all about Android and even some tech news weekly for twit.tv.
Keep up with all the hottest tech news and gadgets. Visit twit.tv. There you'll be able to find and subscribe to all our tech shows. Thanks for watching Hands on Tech.